What is composition? How do I compose an artwork? 1. Introduction. The foundation of art. Before we begin any painting, we must understand this fundamental concept, composition. It's the invisible structure that guides the viewer's eye and creates harmony within the artwork. Whether you're painting a landscape, a portrait, or an abstract piece, composition is what holds your artwork together. 2. What is composition? Composition is the arrangement of visual elements like shapes, colors, lines, and textures within a frame. It's how you place things on the canvas to create balance, interest, and flow. Think of it like choreography in dance. Every element has a purpose and a place. 3. Why is composition important? Good composition draws the viewer in, directs the eye across the canvas, creates a focal point, gives your artwork clarity and emotion. Without composition, even beautiful brushstrokes can look lost or chaotic. 4. Start with intent. Before painting, ask yourself, what do I want to express? Where do I want the viewer to look first? What should be the most important part? Your intent becomes your compass. 5. Key elements of composition. Here are essential components to build a strong composition. A. Focal point. This is the heart of your artwork, the main subject or area of emphasis. Use contrast, detail, or color to make it stand out. B. Balance. Distribute elements evenly across the canvas. It can be symmetrical, calm, and formal. Asymmetrical, dynamic, and modern. C. Rule of thirds. Divide your canvas into a 3x3 grid. Place key elements along these lines or at the intersections to create natural balance. D. Leading lines. Use lines, real or implied, to guide the viewer's eye toward the focal point. Roads, tree trunks, or even brushstrokes can become leading lines. E. Depth. Create depth using foreground, middle ground, and background. Overlapping objects, changes in size, and atmospheric color shifts add dimension. F. Contrast. Play with dark versus light, rough versus smooth, or warm versus cool colors to make areas pop. G. Negative space. The empty space around objects matters too. It gives your subject room to breathe and can create interesting shapes. 6. Sketch first. Always start with a rough sketch or a thumbnail. Try 2 to 3 variations before you commit. Ask yourself, is the focal point strong? Is the balance working? Does it feel too crowded or too empty? 7. Simplify. A common mistake is overloading the canvas. Remove unnecessary elements. Let your main idea shine. Simplicity often leads to strength. 8. Use color to support composition. Color isn't just decoration, it's a compositional tool. Use color to pull focus, create mood, build rhythm and unity. 9. Step back often. Pause, step back, and look at your painting from a distance. This helps you see the composition more clearly, away from the details. 10. Practice, reflect, adjust. Like anything in art, composition improves with practice. Study master painters. Try recreating their layouts. Over time, your eye will develop naturally.